Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Saturday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody's staying home, staying safe. We have another special unboxing today. They're on Amazon. Check them out. Link will be down below. Get one of that low cost. All you gotta do is click on the link. And if you like this one, add it to your shopping cart. Check it out really fast. Continue to shop and see what other goodies they have to offer. This is coming from a Spider Farmer. Yeah, buddy. Here we go. And then we got some of these. We got the clamps. Let's show you guys. Clamps in here. This is to mount it. Really bright, this thing is. Really bright. So once you turn it on, do not stare at it for a long period of time. Comes with a nice little fuse right here. Some good stuff right here, guys. Man, my eyes can't see right now. Output. Here we go. That light is bright though. Here's good stuff in the back. This is a 1000. Once you see the link. And remember, this is bright, so be careful. You guys can see. I don't want to blind you guys, but that's what it looks like. Right there. But yeah, it's definitely bright. Lightweight too, so it's not heavy at all. This is like a medium size veg grow. Let's see, we got some info right here. Hopefully you guys can see it. Yeah, those are boxes. Came in a big old box right behind me. Just had a problem with my camera earlier, so. But this is a full unboxing. I'm going to set it up. We'll do some YouTube magic in a little bit. So there is the hanging distance. Germination is 24 to 30. Seeding is 24 inch. So that's what I'm going to start off with, is the seeding. And then the veg is 18 to 24. Flower is 12 to 18. And then suggested lighting time, veg 18 hours on. Flower 12 hours on. And it tells you little tips. And we got this one right here. And here's all the info. If you guys can see it. So that's 1000. Right in there. Frequency is 50 to 60 hertz. The footprint is veg 3x3. And then 2x2 for flower. And some assembly required. Like I said, the hooks. Pull those out in a second. There we go. And I'm probably definitely going to hang these downstairs. Set it up. I got a spot. I know where I could have room for it. Just give me 1 second, guys. Kind of hard to open this bag. There we go. Gloves on. There we go. See? You just connect them to these ends right here in the middle. It's got a kind of like those for your keys. A little push. So it's really strong enough to hold. There's rope. Good sturdy rope. Strong rope. Hopefully you guys can see the rope. Yeah, this would be a nice light to use videos with. Also, you know, look at that. It's really bright. And like I said, I already showed you guys that. That's bright. And then there's the hooks. Got that there. Take caution when handling the SF lights. Ensure that the LED is not touched by sharp objects or pressed. Otherwise, the diodes might be damaged. Oh. There we go. Bada boom, see? Look at that. It's really bright. So here's what the hooks do. Kind of like I mentioned, you just hook them side by side and then hang it up on wherever you're at, the garage, the basement. Do not touch while in operation. Yeah, so you avoid looking directly at the LEDs because, like I said, they are bright. There you go. So definitely check them out. YouTube magic time. We're going to go down the dungeon. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we back again with the light. Got them hanged up. I'm not sure if this is going to be a permanent spot, but for right now, for the video, this is what it looks like. And these little guys came in a separate bag, little clips. You just hang it to this guy right here, and you can adjust it with this switch right there, so you can have it lower or even higher. Really bright though, so this would be perfect for any indoor growing for your home. Grow some tomatoes. Really nice. It's extremely bright though, so be careful staring into it. Definitely check them out, YouTubers. Really good LED grow light. Check them out. And there's that. Like I said, I'm just a brief setup just for the video for you guys, to show you how it looks out of the box. Once I get my seeds in, probably towards the next month or so, I'm going to show another review video coming up for this once I start growing some tomatoes. But really cool. There we go. Again, they are bright, so be careful how you handle those bulbs too. You don't want to touch them, or just put it on a soft cloth before you do your install. You should be fine. But lightweight. Got it hanging all the way there. But yeah, really easy though. So definitely check them out. Spider Farmer, I do believe. Really cool. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Stay home. Have a good weekend. And happy Easter to all. And that's about it. Take it easy, guys.